If an investment offer looks too good to be true, it probably is. And in today's world of online scams and flashy promises, protecting your money is more important than ever. To help you stay safe, the Reserve Bank of India has created a powerful public platform called Sachet, designed to verify financial entities and report fraudulent schemes. Launched under State Level Coordination Committee or SLCC mechanism, the Sachet platform acts as a one-step window for all things related to verifying financial schemes. Using this portal, you can check whether a financial entity is registered with regulators like RBI, SEBI, IRDI, or PFRDA. Report unauthorized deposit taking or money collection schemes, file complaints against any company operating without regulatory approval. Your complaint is forwarded to the right authority, ensuring quick and coordinated action. Fraudulent schemes thrive by promising high returns with little risk. Many operate outside the regulatory framework, and once your money is gone, recovering it is almost impossible. Most victims are targeted through WhatsApp groups, social media ads, or referral-based models. And that's why verifying any company or scheme on the Sachet portal is absolutely essential. RBI clearly states any entity accepting deposits or offering investment schemes must be registered with a regulator. Sachet helps you check this instantly. Using this portal is very simple. Visit sachet.rbi.org.in, check if an entity is registered, enter the company name or scheme name. If your suspect is fraud, go to file complaint. Track your complaint using the reference number. The Sachet portal is a part of RBI's mission to create a safer financial ecosystem and curb illegal deposit schemes. Before investing your hard-earned money, take just a few minutes to verify legitimacy of the scheme. This small step can protect you from major financial loss and stress. Stay informed, stay alert, and let RBI Sachet portal to be your first line of defense against frauds. Thanks for watching. Stay alert, stay informed, and always verify before you invest. For more financial awareness videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.